What's going on? TK with Master Wealth Builders LLC. And I remember when I first got my license as an insurance broker that someone responded and said, why would I buy insurance from some random dude in a t-shirt on the internet? And I think most people just don't understand that insurance companies do not sell directly to the public. You have to go through a licensed agent. Even if you go to something like State Farm, you're still dealing with a licensed agent. There's two things in insurance that regular people just don't get. It's called captive agent and non-captive agent. So once you get your license, no matter what state you're in, you either go work for a company, and that's when you're a captive agent, or you start your own company, and that's when you are a non-captive agent. So once I got my license, I chose to start my own company, and that's what Master Wealth Builders LLC is. And the next step is you have to figure out how to get customers. So again, social media is one of those areas where you want to leverage it and use it to try to get customers, right? So me being an independent broker, doing social media, random dude in the t-shirt talking about the advantages associated with putting your money in insurance. Why? Because you have to go through an agent. So if you want to do business with me, you can click the link in my bio and I can teach you more about different cash advantages that come with insurance, because unlike any other area, 401k, IRA, the stock market, you're not taxed the same way. There are a lot of tax advantages that come with participating or investing in insurance, mainly because you don't take losses. There's no other investment space that guarantees you a no-loss scenario. The contract that you sign when you invest in insurance comes with a clause that says zero loss. So your return on investment is around 6 to 8%, which, yeah, people say I can get more in the stock market, but there's no other area that guarantees you zero loss. So there's tax advantage, there's a zero loss clause, and there's a 6 to 8% return. So a lot of people completely overlook insurance and they look at it as a not investment space. But there are a lot of advantages that come with putting your money in an insurance contract. 6 to 8%, zero loss, being taxed completely differently than any other space, and the ability to have a company to leverage when you need it. When you get sick, when you get in a car accident, the ability to pass on something tax-free to your family members. All of these things are advantages. So the company, no matter what company it is, has to go through an agent, because insurance companies don't sell directly to the public. So you have to pass the state exam and then somehow figure out how to get customers. And the ability to explain, offer, clear up misconceptions, all of that falls on the insurance agent. So in the new year, if you get serious about leveraging insurance, please consider me to be one of the people you decide to work with, and click the link in my bio if that's something you want to do, and I can help you